What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, Moody E46.
What's up, Moody?
Today we got some exciting news. Just picked up the wide body kit. So I ordered these from WIDEBODY Performance. I really hope I'm saying it right. I ordered it from Lithuania. This is the Pandem style wide body kit for the pre-facelift E46. I had to take it out of the box because I had to fit it in my coupe. This comes with the side skirt, the fenders, the quarter panels, little pieces for the bumper. It came with the test report, tells you what they did to it and that it passed. You also have an option to pay 100 euros extra for the duck wing, but I didn't really like that. So I just got it all together without that. It's fiberglass, as you can see, unfinished. Once this is done, the car is going to be wrapped fully. I'm just waiting to get this installed. I don't think it'll be right away, probably a few weeks. So I'll get these out of the car for you guys to see. Yeah, stay tuned. Jeez, is that carbon fiber? Whoa! Whoa! Okay, back to my car. Alright guys, so these are what the parts look like. We have fender, bumper parts, the quarter panel, the side skirts, and the other quarter panel right here. That looks good. So I haven't gotten wheels yet. I'm not sure what the fitment is gonna be, but it's gonna be a big one. Now we're gonna check out the front fender.
Would be right where the light is.
Yeah, it's gonna cover the light.
Cool.
Look at that.
And that goes on the light. And this is scratching your car, it moves.
By the time the wide body is installed and done, the whole car is gonna be cut.
Let's put the front sides, this is the sides.
The side skirts? Okay, let's do that.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's...
This is gonna look so sick.
Sure. Oh, nice guy, nice. Just check on the whole fucking kit. And they actually got here in pretty good condition. There's gonna be some imperfections, obviously. So like, as you can tell, this part right here, there you go. So that's where there would need to be some adjustments while it's getting installed. But you'll probably never get a wide body kit perfect when you order it. This is what each part looks like from the back. Another thing that I'm gonna be changing the front bumper because I really hate these front bumpers that come stock. This is gonna be a CSL bumper, so that's gonna have to be done before the wide body is installed because then it won't fit. And with the CSL bumper, you don't have any more fog lights, so they're gonna be out too, which I'm actually sad about because I actually like my fog lights because my halos are white and they're yellow. But whatever, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
And then a nice little wing in the back, just to really show how slow the car is. That's our demonstration, man. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to stay tuned for the process and the final look. Shout out to WIDEBODY Performance once again. And I will catch you guys later.
Well, you need tail lights.
Oh, it's gonna look really nice.
Yeah, LED taillights, possibly, maybe. Even though I don't mind these because they're clear anyway.
Not those reverse lights.
Oh, thanks. Okay, that's it. We're done. Bye. Bye.
Peace.
Bye.